Hi, Elaine here with WTI. Are you having problems sleeping at night and you want to get those dreams back? Well, try this Swan body pillow by Contour. You will love it. I really love the breathable and soft, cool material. And I love the inside. I could move around the filling just where I want it to be to fit my sleeping needs. It comes with a great pillowcase that is really well made and soft on your face. And I really appreciate the sturdy and invisible zipper on this pillowcase. There's a few ways you can sleep with this body pillow, and this way is really comfortable for my sister when she had a bad neck for a few days. This pillow is for everyone of all heights. I am just a little taller and I'm able to adjust it just fine for my needs when I'm hanging out and relaxing on my bed. And you might be wondering, how do I store it? Right behind all your other pillows. It just fits perfect. So folks, get your sleep back with this Swan body pillow by Contour. We love it. We highly recommend it, but that's just our point of view.